Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. As you guys know, last month's giveaway was actually I chose the winner this month, but the last giveaway was this here Gooloo A3 jump box compressor combo. Well, again, we're doing another giveaway. This month is going to be, or next month, whenever, the next winner is going to win a Gooloo DS200 Bluetooth OBD2 scan tool. This connects to your phone, either Android or iOS, either one. So stay tuned. I'm going to let you know a little bit about this scan tool and tell you how to get entered, and it's really, really easy. But first, please hit that like button, subscribe so you know if you're going to be the winner, and make sure you check out the video library when you're all said and done. I have a ton of automotive DIY videos and the potential emissions deregulation videos that could be happening. Now, so let me tell you a little bit about the Gooloo DS200 scan tool. If you want one of these, if you don't want to wait for the giveaway, there's going to be a link in the description below to purchase one of these on Amazon. Right now, they're only $59.99. They're trying to get these out there so people know about them, so they're fairly cheap right now. They're going to go up to 100 bucks. I don't know when, but make sure you hop on it and get one of these if you can't wait. What really sold me on this is I really wanted a handheld scan tool that fits in my pocket that I could do an electronic parking brake reset with, and this was it. A really good bang for the buck to get that job done. So that's what made me get one of these in my hands and start using it. But then I started looking into it, and this thing does a ton of things. I'm looking at the website so I can give you guys a better description of what this does. So bi-directional control. You can command the ECU for live testing of AC, windows, sunroof, and more, like the evap system on some vehicles if it's capable. You could command the horn. I did that. And it says windows. I rolled some windows up. It was pretty funny. We were playing around with it with my friend's car. You could also do 8 maintenance services. So you could do the oil life reset, throttle adaptation, and other pro functions. Like I said, you could do the electronic parking brake reset. This thing does a ton of stuff. I'm really still getting used to using it just because it does so much stuff. So when you get this, make sure you do updates, all of them on the app when you get it, and just start playing with it so you can get used to using it. But this right here is a dealer level diagnostic tool at a DIY price. Super easy to use when you get used to it. And like I said, get one if you can't wait for the giveaway. And all you need to do to get entered for the giveaway, like all my other giveaways, you don't need to go purchase a bunch of crap on my website that is overpriced merchandise. All you got to do, comment on this video. So just comment below with anything. I hate you. I love your videos. Keep up the good work. Where you're commenting from, whatever you want to comment, even a wave or a smiley face, whatever you want to do. Every comment, not every, because you only get one comment. Even if you put like 30 comments, only one's going to count. But a comment is all it takes to get entered to win this Gooloo DS200 Bluetooth OBD2 scan tool. I will be choosing a winner the evening of, what is today? December 11th, because today is November 11th. So December 11th, the evening of December 11th, I will be choosing a winner for this scan tool and shipping it out to you the next day or a couple days, whatever, via Amazon. So make sure you're somewhere that Amazon can deliver, preferably in the continental United States. Also, if you guys are looking for a VPN that's trustworthy, if you're afraid of what's going on or who's tracking you or pop-ups or anything on your internet browsing or while you're browsing the internet, make sure you check out ExpressVPN. Now, I've been using ExpressVPN for a super long time, about 3 years now, and I just got my daughter's devices on ExpressVPN so she could watch shows on Netflix from all over the world, because you could change your region of where you're at, so it thinks you're in Europe, or I don't even know where she watches stuff from. I probably should know that a little bit better, but she's almost 18. It doesn't really matter. Not this, but expressvpn.com/Scotties Hobbies will get you hooked up with a deal for browsing the internet safely, stopping pop-ups, stopping your internet provider from tracking you. And also I've heard that your internet provider can deregulate, or not deregulate, but degrade, slow down your internet speed if you're using too much. And ExpressVPN can also make it so that they don't derate you, because they can't really track you and know you as much as what you're using. So it might help you with your internet speeds too. Check out a link in the description below for ExpressVPN and the Gooloo DS200 scan tool. Like, subscribe, share, comment below to get entered the DS200 scan tool. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies, and I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.